Are you an aspiring content creator with a passion for sharing your ideas, talent, or experiences with the world? Have you been uploading your creativity to YouTube and want to start earning from your efforts? If you answered yes to both questions, then you're in the right place. This guide is designed to help you learn how to monetize your YouTube videos and transform your passion into a sustainable source of income. Monetizing YouTube videos is a process that may initially seem daunting. There's a lot to consider, from the platform's strict eligibility requirements to understanding the best practices for ensuring consistent earnings. But with a bit of guidance and strategic planning, this can turn into a rewarding journey. This guide will cover the fundamental steps and principles for monetizing your YouTube content, highlighting strategies that successful YouTubers have used to maximize their income. In Part 1, we will walk you through the basics, starting with an introduction to the YouTube Partner Program, the key requirements for eligibility, and understanding YouTube's ad revenue model. This is the foundation upon which you will build your YouTube monetization strategy. We will also delve into how you can optimize your channel and videos to attract more viewers, boost engagement, and ultimately increase your earnings. This guide is tailored for beginners, but even seasoned YouTubers may find value in refreshing their understanding of YouTube's monetization policies and latest trends. So whether you're just starting out or looking to boost your YouTube earnings, buckle up and get ready for an enlightening journey into the world of YouTube monetization. The power of monetization. Before we begin, let's talk about the power of monetization. Imagine being rewarded for doing what you love, creating videos, engaging with your audience, and building a community. Monetizing your YouTube channel not only opens doors to potential income streams but also allows you to invest more time and resources into producing high-quality content. Monetization provides you with the ability to turn your YouTube channel into a business, where you can earn money doing what you're passionate about. It allows you to take your content creation to the next level, giving you the resources to improve your equipment, hire professionals, and invest in your channel's growth. By monetizing your channel, you can not only continue creating amazing content but also provide your audience with an even better viewing experience. Furthermore, monetization brings with it a sense of validation and recognition for your hard work. When you start earning income from your channel, it serves as evidence that your content is valued by your audience and advertisers. It affirms that your dedication, creativity, and unique perspective are making an impact in the digital world. This recognition can boost your confidence and motivate you to continue pushing boundaries and exploring new opportunities. In addition to financial and personal rewards, monetization allows you to connect with like-minded creators and form collaborations that can take your content to new heights. When you become part of the YouTube Partner Program, you gain access to a network of creators, workshops, and events where you can share knowledge, learn from others, and forge meaningful relationships. Collaborations not only provide new perspectives and creative ideas but also introduce your channel to new audiences, expanding your reach and potential for success. Understanding the basics. Now, let's delve into the basics of YouTube monetization. The first milestone to achieve is 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. Once you hit this threshold, you can apply to join the YouTube Partner Program, YPP. Becoming eligible for the YouTube Partner Program is an important step in monetizing your channel. It allows you to start earning money from your videos and unlocks various monetization features. When you join the YouTube Partner Program, you gain access to a range of monetization options. One of the most common ways to monetize your videos is through advertisements. In addition to ads, the YouTube Partner Program offers other monetization features that can enhance your earning potential. Super Chat allows your viewers to pay to have their messages highlighted during live streams, while channel memberships enable your most dedicated fans to pay a monthly fee for exclusive perks. The Merchandise Shelf is another exciting feature that lets you showcase your branded merchandise directly below your videos. By selling your own products, you can further monetize your channel and strengthen your brand presence. The YouTube Partner Program also provides access to the Content ID system, which helps protect your copyrighted content and allows you to monetize videos that include your content uploaded by others. The YouTube Partner Program offers a comprehensive suite of tools to help you monetize your channel. By meeting the eligibility requirements and joining the program, you gain access to multiple revenue streams and opportunities for growth. The YouTube Partner Program, YPP. The YouTube Partner Program is a gateway to monetization on the platform. Joining the YPP offers various benefits, including the ability to earn money from ads, access to YouTube's Content ID system, merchandise shelf, channel memberships, and more. It's an exciting opportunity to grow your channel and connect with your audience on a deeper level. When you become a YouTube partner, you can start earning money through advertisements that appear on your videos. These ads can be displayed as pre-roll ads, mid-roll ads during longer videos, or even as overlay ads. The revenue generated from these ads is shared between you and YouTube, providing you with a steady income stream based on views and ad engagement. In addition to ad revenue, the YouTube Partner Program provides access to YouTube's Content ID system. This powerful tool allows you to protect your original content from unauthorized use and monetize any user-generated videos that include your copyrighted material. It's a valuable feature for creators who want to safeguard their intellectual property and ensure they receive proper compensation for their work. But that's not all. The YouTube Partner Program also offers opportunities to sell merchandise directly from your channel. You can create custom merchandise, such as t-shirts, hats, or mugs, and promote them to your audience through your videos and channel page. This not only provides additional income but also strengthens your brand identity and gives your viewers a way to support you. Another exciting feature available through the YouTube Partner Program is the ability to offer channel memberships. By offering memberships, you can provide exclusive perks to your most dedicated fans, such as access to special content, badges, and emojis. This creates a sense of community and allows your viewers to become more invested in your channel. Joining the YouTube Partner Program opens up a world of possibilities for monetization and growth. It not only allows you to earn money from ads but also provides tools and features to engage with your audience on a deeper level. So, if you're serious about turning your YouTube channel into a successful business, I highly recommend applying for the YouTube Partner Program and exploring the monetization options it offers. Now that you understand the potential of the YouTube Partner Program, let's explore how you can optimize your content to maximize your monetization opportunities. Optimizing your content for monetization. Now that we've covered the foundation, let's discuss how to optimize your content for monetization. First and foremost, consistency is key. Regularly uploading high-quality videos not only keeps your audience engaged but also attracts advertisers. Additionally, make sure your videos adhere to YouTube's community guidelines to maintain a positive environment for your viewers. In addition to quality, optimizing your content for discoverability is crucial. You want your videos to be easily found by your target audience and attract new viewers. Here are some tips to optimize your content for monetization. Effective titles and thumbnails. Craft attention-grabbing titles that accurately describe your video's content. Create eye-catching thumbnails that entice viewers to click and watch. Use relevant keywords to improve searchability and include branding elements to establish your channel's identity. Tags and descriptions. Utilize relevant keywords in your video tags and descriptions. This helps YouTube's algorithm understand your content and rank it appropriately in search results. Write concise yet informative descriptions that provide context and encourage viewers to watch. Engaging introductions. Hook your viewers from the start with a captivating introduction. Clearly communicate what your video is about and why they should continue watching. Use compelling storytelling techniques to grab and hold their attention. Audience interaction. Encourage audience engagement through comments, likes, and shares. Ask questions or prompt discussions related to your content. Respond to viewer comments to foster a sense of community and encourage repeat visits. Playlists and end screens. Organize your videos into playlists to make it easier for viewers to navigate your content. Utilize end screens to promote your other videos, encourage subscriptions, and drive traffic to external links, such as your website or merchandise store. Collaborations and cross-promotion. Collaborate with other creators in your niche to expand your reach and gain exposure to new audiences. Cross-promote each other's channels and videos to leverage each other's subscriber bases. Remember, the key to optimizing your content is understanding your audience and consistently delivering high-quality, valuable videos that resonate with them. Keep experimenting, learning, and adapting to refine your content strategy and maximize monetization opportunities. By implementing these optimization techniques, you can improve your video's discoverability, attract a larger audience, and increase your chances of monetization success. Well done! You've taken the first significant step towards monetizing your YouTube videos by understanding the fundamental concepts and principles involved in the process. This foundation will help you navigate the world of YouTube monetization with more confidence and clarity. You've learned about the YouTube Partner Program, its eligibility criteria, and the essential role it plays in ad revenue generation. You now know how to optimize your channel and videos to attract more viewers and boost engagement, setting the stage for increased earnings. Remember that building a successful, income-generating YouTube channel takes time, patience, and perseverance. It's not just about the numbers, but also about creating meaningful, engaging content that resonates with your audience. This connection is the foundation of long-term success on YouTube. As we conclude part 1, it's crucial to remember that understanding and applying these basics are just the start of your journey. There are many more monetization strategies and tactics to explore, which we will cover in part 2 of this guide. Keep your creativity flowing and continue to learn and adapt. Every YouTube success story started where you are right now. So keep moving forward, keep growing, and look forward to the exciting opportunities that lie ahead in your YouTube career.